Hello everyone, this is Simran Singh from Housey, and today I'm going to be revealing the teaser of a new launch project in Juinagar, Navi Mumbai, code name Citadel by Today Group. Right now, as you can see, I'm standing at the actual location. Right over here is the main gate and the actual land parcel where the tower is going to come. You may also have a look at the neighborhood, guys. You can just have a look at what quality of road is right in front of the project. This road will connect you directly to the main highway, the Panvel Highway. In this video, we are going to be covering the following points, which includes project overview, location, amenities, carpet area, booking process, pre-launch discounts, offers, and many more. But before moving ahead, let me also give you an introduction of what Housey is. So Housey is India's first real estate platform that connects home buyers directly with the developers, thereby giving you bottom rate pricing. Unlike other current listing platforms, where if you inquire once, your number is shared with multiple brokers, which may lead to many calls. But now you don't have to worry because Housey is here, where we connect you directly with the builders. So buy a dream home directly with the builders only on Housey. Talking about project overview, this project is constructed on a land parcel of 3.5 acres, having 2 tower, ground plus 29 floors with configuration of 2 and 3 BHK. Talking about the connectivity of this very amazing project, as you can see, I'm standing at the main gate. Right here, this road will lead you to the main highway, which is going to be your Sion Panvel Highway. Talking about the exact connectivity, this project is located in Juinagar MIDC Sion Panvel Highway, with Juinagar station at a distance of 1 km, Nerul station at a distance of 2.5 km, DY Patil Hospital at a distance of 2.1 km, school, colleges, everything within a radius of just 1 to 2 kilometers. Talking about amenities, this very amazing project has 30 plus luxurious amenities, which include swimming pool, kids play area, gymnasium, banquet hall, yoga center, co-working space, and many more. You name it and they have it. Before moving forward, I have a question to ask you. Are you also planning to buy a home in Mumbai? Then I've got a strong recommendation for you. Housey के Rights of Home Buyer series जरूर देखें. A lot of buyers are unaware of what their basic rights are. For example, you've booked a home, given a token amount to the builder, but now you want to cancel it off. So how much money can the builder legally deduct? Secondly, let's say after construction or possession, you have any construction related issue or any leakage related issue in your house. So what liability does the builder hold? We've made you understand all of these things in very simple and easy to understandable language. So before booking your home next time, go through this series. ये series का link आपको ऊपर आई बटन या नीचे description box में मिल जाएगा. Talking about carpet area, this project has 2 configuration, 2 and 3 BHK, with 2 BHK having carpet area of 788 square feet and 912 square feet, and 3 BHK having carpet area of 1110 square feet. Talking about booking process, our booking process is now open. Clients are requested to come and visit the site, where our sales team will help you with the complete project details. We'll also help you with the actual flat and sample flat if available. We'll also help you with the payment and EMI scheme. And then clients like the project, they can move ahead with the booking amount. The booking amount for all the configuration is going to be 1,08,000 rupees. So everyone, this was the teaser of codename Citadel by Today Group, located in Navi Mumbai, Juinagar. To get more information about this amazing property, you need to download the e-brochure given below. And to know more about such amazing properties, also have a look at the I button. And don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Housey.
If you have any queries related to the project like pricing, exclusive pre-launch discounts, EOI process, brochure, or you want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients from UAE, US, Singapore, UK and other countries can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such new launch teaser videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.